Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to be a YouTuber. So actually, this is a very simple question, but actually, it's very hard to explain. So I'm gonna take my help from Google Bird. Let's see what he answered this. Hold on. Okay, so you can take this suggestion to become a YouTuber. This is very cut and precise answer for you. Here are some example, or here are some simple solution how to be a YouTuber in 2023. Choose a niche first. You need to choose a subject, or you need to choose a niche in where you make your YouTube content. Okay, so you can see here what are you passionate about. What do you know a lot about? What can you teach others? Once you know your niche, you can start to create content that will appeal to your target audience. Create high quality videos. That doesn't mean you need to have the best camera or editing software, but your videos should be well lit, and well shot, and well edited. Viewers are most likely to each watch and subscribe channels to produce the quality content. So your quality should be high in performance. So upload consistency. Try to upload new videos on a regular schedule, such as once a week or twice a week. This will help you to keep viewers engaged and coming back more. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media and other websites, so you can do this. Engage your audience. Optimize your video search. Use attention grabbing thumbnails. Creating engaging moment content. Patience and persistence. So you can pause the video and read all of this, and you can get your answer how you can be a YouTuber. Becoming a successful YouTuber takes some time and effort, but it is definitely possible. So you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.